Hi, this is Ruben, engineer and intern from Ceratech, and welcome to our Tips and Tricks tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video on the first part of 2D meshing focused on the defeaturing and mid-surfacing of the model. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests for tutorials on topics you'd like us to create, please add them in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please be sure to ask your questions in the comments. If you'd like to see other tutorials like this, please check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel. We also offer our online customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. This is a free 30-minute live video tutorial series where our software experts will share their tips, techniques, and knowledge that will help you sharpen your skills. To sign up for this series, please contact us at info@ceratech.com. Okay, so let's get into the content of this video. The first thing we're going to do is go to Application. We're going to hit Pre/Post. As soon as it loads, we're going to hit this drop down on Create New Fem in Simulation. We're going to create just a new Fem. Just going to make sure it's just SimCenter Nastran. Name the the file however you want. Click OK. Let it load for a second. Just going to hit and click OK right here. Let it load. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our idealized part. This is really where you want to work with any defeaturing and mid-surfacing and all that good stuff for the geometry prep before you start meshing. Once it's loaded, we're going to want to promote our body. We're going to want to promote this because if not, you really can't work with it. So once that's on, okay. And then, so the first thing we're going to do is defeature, and a lot of defeaturing is done with this delete button right here. So what we look for in defeaturing is any unnecessary features, anything that's not really important to the model. So we know that these holes right here are simply just holes for wire management, so we're going to want to click on holes. We're going to want to make sure that this box is unchecked, because if it is checked, we're going to have to enter the specific size of each hole. We don't want that, so we're going to go ahead and delete all these holes right here. Click OK. We're going to click Apply actually, because the next thing we look for after you've deleted all the unnecessary holes is any of the unnecessary blends or chamfers, and we see that we have some right here on the edge of the table. So we're going to go ahead and change our selection from hole to blend. We're going to go ahead and zoom in, make sure we're clicking the right one. Going to click that one. Going to zoom to the other side, click that one. Go ahead and click the other one, and then lastly we're going to click this one right here. So that's going to be all of them right here. We're going to go ahead and click OK. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mid-surface all of our parts. We're going to go to mid-surface by pairs right here. What we do right here is we just click our solid body right here. We're going to know that it's going to create it automatically for us. It should be right in the middle. What we want to click right here is hide solid sheet upon applying, and we're going to show the result. And that's exactly what we want. So we're going to unclick this and we're going to click Apply. And we're going to do this for all of them. So we're going to click this one right here as well. We're going to automatically create our face pairs. We're going to click Hide Solid Body and Show Result. Exactly what we want. If you look to the side, it's just a sheet. We're going to uncheck that and then click Apply. So since these are the same, I know that we can do this again. We're going to go ahead and click Apply. And lastly, for the bottom one, we're going to go ahead and do the same and automatically create pairs. Hide it. We're going to want to show it. Perfect. So we're going to uncheck it, click Apply, and then do the same for the last one over here. Click OK. So once we've mid-surfaced everything, we're going to want to go ahead and hide all of our solid geometry. We're just going to go to our solid bodies. We're going to hide them, and we see that we only have the sheets that we created. And the first thing that we notice is that they don't actually touch each other anymore, which is okay because we're about to fix that right now. So when you notice this, we want to make sure that they do touch each other. So we're going to go ahead and go over here to our top left. We're going to go to our extend sheet. We're going to want to extend the top edge of this one up to the top right here. So instead of offset, we're going to go to select until next. We're going to want to click this body right here. And you want to make sure that it says extend original sheet. And then we're just going to go ahead and click apply. So we're going to do that for all of our bodies to make sure that they end up touching each other, because this will be very important for the next part of the video. Extend sheet. Until next, we're going to select this face right here, and we're going to click apply. And the same thing has to occur at the bottom. I'm going to select this edge right here, select this face, extend it to that, click apply. And the last one right here, we're going to select this edge, and then we're going to select this face all the way down here. I'm going to click OK. So we're going to zoom out. I'm going to make sure that they all end up intersecting each other, which they do. Obviously this is easier geometry, but these things can get very tough, so it's very important to check. Sometimes you have to use the trim tool right here as well. For this one, we'll stick just with the extend sheet, and it looks good to go as of right now. That's going to do it for us today on the first part of 2D meshing, focused on the defeaturing and mid-surfacing. Thanks for watching our tips and tricks tutorial series. This is Ruben Chavez, engineering intern at Ceratech. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other support videos here on our YouTube channel, and tune into our customer enablement series every first and third Thursday of the month. Thank you guys.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at ceratech.com/events.